In your app, in your HTML coding app, change the plain text to HTML. And these directions are in the document you have already on Classroom. I'm just trying to model it for you guys so you can follow step by step. I want to call it, oops, I'm going to file, save file as. Now I need to locate my HTML folder. Mine happens to go there already because I navigated there before. Yours probably goes to your drive first. And then within your drive, you need to find your web design class, double click on it, and then you need to find your HTML folder, double click on that. Now I know I'm inside of this folder because of my breadcrumb tray up here. And I want to call it Activity 1. And I want to do .html, another very important part of this process, so it knows it's an HTML file. And then save. Oh, Joe, that's probably what you didn't do. So Joe, that's probably what it is, why yours keeps going back. Because then when I hit save, I see it's still HTML, and I see my activity 1 here. So again, that's hopefully the trickiest part. Now, this is the code that you have to type. This is your HTML that you have to type character for character. Exactly. So I need to go in here, put my screens as best as I can side by side, and start typing in every single character I see just as it's shown here. Okay? So I'm going to give you guys time to do that. Again, it has to be character for character. Obviously change, like instead of Noelle's, put your name. I'll put Evan's webpage. You can change to Noelle's homepage to your name homepage. But other than that, it has to be character for character. Okay? So start working on that.
Where do we get this doc to open? Can you send the link?
Thank you. Yep. Let me publish it. And I'll send you a link as well. Okay, so I'm just modeling on my screen how I'm going through and typing character for character. And you'll notice it starts to auto fill things for you. For example, when I go and I tell them like, hey, I'm about to start my HTML, it fills in, it automatically does the closing part of that. So leave that and keep typing. It tries to help you out a little bit and keep typing your code. And it just is, it's going to help you kind of complete things. So it takes a little bit of work, typing work away for you guys.
Wait, do we even got to do the space bars necessary? Or does that autofill?
Like the space right here?
What?
Yeah, like the spaces in between like head, title, and stuff.
Oh, you mean like return, enter? Yes, you have to hit enter.
How do I get the little arrow things on the doc type?
These the greater than, less than signs?
Yeah, I don't have.
So you should, if you're on a Chromebook, they're down where your period and your comma are, and you hold shift to get.
I didn't see that.
All right, body, heading 1. Evans. Remember I showed you it's gonna, so when you write HTML the first time, you're saying, okay, I'm about to start my HTML code, my characters. And then it automatically puts the ending in there for you so that all you have to do is type the stuff in between, and then it already closed it for you. So anything you open in HTML coding, you have to close. So when I have my HTML, it's like, okay, starting HTML coding now. And then I tell it I'm starting my head. So your heading. Now I'm starting my heading. The title is title open, Evan's page, title close. So it opens, once you open something, it automatically fills in your closure for you to try and help you out. And we're going to hopefully go through and launch these. All right, heading 1, where am I? P stands for paragraph. You guys will learn this as you go. See, I said I'm opening my paragraph, and it automatically filled in my closure to my paragraph. So I just have to type what I want in the paragraph. This web paragraph, close body, close HTML. All right, we'll see. We'll see if I even did it right here. All right, guys, so once you have your finished HTML doc, and you make sure that you file save it, we want to test it and open it up. So we come to Chrome and we open up a new tab and we hit Control O for open. And we find our activity 1, or the HTML document you are working on. Open it. If everything's coded correctly, you'll see it displayed there in the browser. When you take a screenshot, I want it to be everything so I can see your file location as well as the page itself, just an FYI there. So when you're working on web pages in HTML, you can edit here. Notice an error there. You can edit here and then refresh here and you'll see the changes you make. So let's say instead of a period here, I want it to be an exclamation point. I need to hit save so that it updates the file save. And then I need to come to my web page and refresh it, and you'll see it added the exclamation point now. So that is how you'll go back and forth between your HTML file and the web page that you're building. All right, guys, good luck, have fun.